Welcome. In front of me is an LA phone P8000, and I'll show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So normally you could just hold this finger on your screen and tap on wallpaper, but because the screen doesn't really fully work, as you can see, try to tap on it and nothing really happens. Some part of the screen is basically dead for me, so I'll have to go through settings, which you can do as well, and go into display, and then you'll see wallpaper, and from here you can choose from gallery, live wallpapers, and a couple other ones. I'm just gonna choose gallery, and as you know, I heard you like wallpaper, so I'm gonna select wallpaper of a wallpaper, so I can wallpaper all wallpaper. As you can see, now I got double wallpaper, just a little bit at a different time. But yeah, that is how you change wallpaper, and you can choose whatever else you like. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.